In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a community forum using Wix. Whether you're building a space for meaningful discussion or cultivating a community around shared interests, this guide will help you set up your community forum smoothly and efficiently. We'll walk through the steps from selecting the right template to publishing your site. First things first, you'll want to open the Wix editor, so let's start with that. Make sure you're doing this using Google Chrome for the most optimized experience. Once you've opened the Wix website, log into your account or create a new one if you haven't done so already. You'll be brought to the Wix dashboard, and from there, you can dive directly into the editor. Now that you're inside the editor, it's time to choose a template that's suitable for a community or forum. Wix offers a range of engaging templates specifically designed for forums and communities, each tailored to provide the best user experience for discussions and member interactions. Browse through the options, imagining how you can see your community using these layouts. Once you find a template that resonates with the goals of your community, go ahead and select it. This will now become the foundation of your forum. With your template selected, the next step involves incorporating some key Wix apps that will enable interaction within your community. Navigate over to the Wix App Market, which is a treasure trove of tools designed to enhance your website. Here, you'll look for the Wix Forum app or the Wix Members app. Either one of these apps will be pivotal in transforming your site into a dynamic, interactive forum space. Click to add your preferred app to your site and wait as Wix does the heavy lifting for you, integrating these features. Customization is where the real fun begins. This is your opportunity to shape the forum to truly reflect your community's identity and needs. Head into the settings to tweak the member profiles. Perhaps you'd like to add fields or customize what's displayed. Next, adjust your discussion boards, tailoring them around the topics you know will ignite conversation. Don't forget privacy settings. They're crucial in ensuring your community remains a safe and welcoming environment. You can customize who sees what and manage the balance between open discussion and member-only content. Moreover, enabling registration and moderation tools is essential. This ensures that users can sign up effortlessly while providing you the capability to monitor discussions, making certain that community engagement stays healthy and positive. Go through the registration settings and set up your moderation preferences to catch anything that might disrupt the community's spirit. And at last, when you've set things up to your liking and everything seems in its right place, it's time to publish. Click on the Publish button, and just like that, your community forum sees the light of day. It's now live for the world, and more importantly, ready for your first visitors. Congratulations! You've successfully created a community forum on Wix ready to inspire conversations and connections. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial today, and happy community building.